said in some no na Asante Business Owners Association said the anti-smuggling operation joint task force National Security Kahon Food and Drugs Authority Tree Crops Development Authority ne custom kahono wamudie enhuso na ubeka ya be na fuan kakra ni penifo no bo ewradwam na vegetable oil sibia isuso se nye pepa won toma ye no woma chechire sa ne mani nyina nemum adwarifo bi esusu se be bia wo so omokoye operation ne pa de ports ene harbors ahodo no ho na wo so omoko hyase free na tumi aboam wodu won bota ye ho Adom TV etwose
taskforce phobia womo every regional coordination council watiasi kumasi dwom ama adwadifo ma wokra anwa adifiri nkofa ma so a wonfa emna kwa so wagege saa anwa no nyina na dwumadie na wieye na Dr. Paul Amani a oye coordinator ema saa taskforce yi wone Adom kase bonkom
ye ko PZ market ye ko no yehu say product bi ewo ho a ye friend Roach. Sa Roach product no you two brand ba ku free Malaysia ba ku su free Indonesia ni free Malaysia ni register ni free Indonesia ni register but ni nyina the same brand the adekro ntudru a unya den
Asante Business Owners Association ekuba baako a ye frɛ no Osai Akoto ene Adom kase bonkomo na ochemse na ninje ewo ekwan a tax force for na abesesa anwa di afiri won shop ho
me no mo twen pa no ka kire me sɛ oye no the media banner media ton enya dia a friend say o mo be mama ton nto mo sesa na say no e dey ntina so mo sesa mo say unless me provide duty paper enti me entem me so me ton no me buy me ton no obi ho a importer ho na me friend importer me say o ye na mo dia maye no anasa me ton ho no me adan den me 10 cedis pay go phobia ba so me national security on person sesa ne ma no enti me say be ka duty paper na no so me wo me duty paper ma ya bibia enti en dey sade am send dia bro enti o send bre me WhatsApp na me de kire o me de show mo si da bi da enya de o mbeti ase oye no o ma si oye no
Executive Secretary Edema Asante Business Owners Association eye Owura Charles Kusi Apia Kubi.
So we place a call the Regional Coordinating Council to the director and to the minister. And the feedback we had from the minister suggests that he has no aware of such people having such operation in the market space. These men were angered because the regional minister intervened in the situation. And they told us that they will show us where power lies. Who are supposed to man our borders? The national security, the immigration, the SEPs. How do smuggled goods get into a market? This suggests to us that they are not doing their work well. If you are not doing your work well, why do you want to criminalize that innocent businessman who is doing his right thing as a citizen?